What is going on, everyone? I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to solve a common problem that people have whenever they use Chat GPT to write essays, blog articles, copy any sort of text that you're going to copy from Chat GPT and copy it over to a Google Doc, which I've ran into myself. And here's exactly how to solve this problem right now. So, say you got ChatGPT here. I'm writing an ebook on outsourcing manufacturing, and this is just like one little section, the cost benefit analysis. And let's say I go over here and I've got this black text, and you're like, man, what is this? Do I highlight? Do I change the highlighting? No, you don't. And there's another, like what I was doing before was I was just clearing the formatting, which is annoying too, because then you have to like reshape every aspect of it. Like you have to like separate out the text, change it, everything to what you want it, restructure this basically, or reformat it to where it looks how you want it to look before you submit it to the client or whoever you're going to submit it to. So let's go back to this. The simplest solution is just to highlight that area that you're going to change. You're then going to go to borders and shading. Then it's the background color that you're actually going to change. And so you just click, you see it's obviously like a dark gray. Just click none, apply, and then obviously from ChatGPT, it's got that kind of lighter text to go with the dark background. So then you just shift. I'm going to change to black, and then it's looking better. Um, and then obviously, still you're going to want to break up the text unless you've already told uh, ChatGPT to do that in the platform. But yeah, just want to share this simple solution for you. Hope it helps, and stay tuned for more marketing tutorials coming your way.